Hey everybody, Kevin here for CrackBerry.com with the Dev Alpha B BlackBerry 10 preview hardware and preview software, and looking at active frames today and a little idea I had. So these are active frames. These are basically the minimized running versions of apps. So if you see here, we have our icons. You tap those to open an app, and then once you're in an app, you can go back to the home screen, and they basically rearrange themselves based on recency. So if I go into BBM and I minimize it, it's now the first app. If I go into the camera and minimize it, it's now the first app. And things rearrange up to 8 open apps. Now what happens is, if I open the 9th app right now, so you can see here we have games at the bottom. If I open a 9th app like App World, you're going to lose that games app that was open. So here's the thing that I think RIM could do to appease everybody. Because for the most part, I'm loving this and the flow works. But what if there's an app, like let's say BBM, where I always want it in the same spot. I use BBM all the time. I want it top corner no matter what. It's just the way I am for whatever reason. But right now, I could potentially push it off fairly quickly by just, flowing through the device. Where's BBM at? And putting it into that last spot. Bear with me for a second. Okay, so BBM is now at the end. And I'm going to go open up, what's something I don't have running here? Browser calendar contacts. Okay, I'm going to lose it, right? But what if we could do this? I don't want to lose BBM. I want it to be at the top. What if I could tap and hold on it? Same way I actually tap and hold on an app here to put them into editing state. What if I could do that with active frames and then basically put a pin on it and say, oh, I want to pin this app, which is now in the top spot, in that location. So tap, edit, hold, little pin icon, pin, and then all of a sudden that app is fixed in that position and always running. So even if I open a 9th app, it stays running. It puts the priority on another app to close, but it doesn't ever touch the priority sequence of that. So that is my idea. Pin that baby up in the top corner, or maybe in whatever location you want. But I think you don't want to mess with the interface, because I love what RIM's got going on here. But I'm thinking, how can we kind of serve the best of both worlds? And I think the ability to pin an active frame could be it. I don't know. That's my thought. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I don't want to make more work for RIM here, but I think that could be a 1.2 release that doesn't change the user interface too much at all, but would give us this priority sequencing of an app I want, so it's always there and never closes out. That's it. Although maybe you don't need it. I don't know, because the flowing experience of jumping back and forth and things, I don't know if you'd want to mess with it. Maybe. Maybe not. It's an idea. Not saying it's the best idea, but let me know what you think. Maybe it's a good idea. Pin your active frame. Done deal. Talk later. Kevin out.